Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinswitch to wallet. So first of all, what you can do is, you can see here, choose the crypto you wish to transfer to your Coinswitch Pro account from a list of 100 plus cryptos enabled on the platform. They have taken USDT here for reference. Next, click on the address or get address option and then select the crypto. Copy the deposit link by clicking on the copy icon. Then enter the withdraw flows from your source account, Binance, MetaMask, etc. Base the Coinswitch Pro address you copied in step 3 the address field. Confirm the network that you have chosen in the same as the one mentioned and the Coinswitch Pro crypto deposit page. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, review and confirm your withdrawal, and then click on upload from the list and upload all the proofs of withdrawals. And that's pretty much it. That's how to transfer crypto from Coinswitch to wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.